Now let's learn how this can be done, how you can make an animation like this using Flight and using a map to denote where and where you are going to. This very software will be very useful for content creators who are into logistics, who are into restaurant business deliveries, who are into travel and hotel businesses, content creation that has to do with traveling. Okay, this very software is very handy, it's very useful. You can always use it to do animations that has to do with traveling, especially with air travel. Even that of vehicle travels can equally be done. It's very possible to do the to create the map animation around it. Okay, all you have to do is start up, log into the website. The website is mult.dev. Mult.dev, that's the name of the website. There are some payments to be done, but there is equally a free version for people that want to test run it as well. Test run it as much as you can before making any form of payment. First of all, the free version will serve you as much as possible. All you have to do first of all is log in using your Gmail account. As you can see here, create map account. This, and you now go to Gmail account, click on Google. If you want to log in using your Gmail account, click on Google and hold on for just a little while for your Gmail account to open up. Our Gmail account is very much available right here. Click on your Gmail account, it will open up. Once it opens up, click on the mail you prefer to use. Once it opens up, go ahead and click on the actual mail, click on continue. If you click on continue, you wait a little while depending on your internet connection, and then go ahead and click on create video. Okay, click on create video. You can click it through the menu section, or you can click this very blue long bar. Click on create video, or if you can even go ahead and see how the tutorials can be done. As you can see, more.dev knowledge hub. These are several tutorials that is written on their blog section. You can go ahead and read through it, read to know more, read to expand your knowledge around using this very software. It's very much handy, very much easy. If you're very good at reading very fast, this will come very handy to you. You'll be able to know one or two things. I even get to use it very much, especially if you're someone that uses it very much often. As you can see, there is a pricing section where you make some payment if you want to be using it, if you want to use the pro version. So go ahead and click on create video. Once you click on create video, you wait a little while for the video for the creation section to pop up. Once it pops up, go to the left hand side of the web page. You can see the search section that wrote, depending on your location. I'm in Lagos State, Nigeria. You can click on any location of your choice. It can be US, it can be San Francisco, it can be New York, it can be UK, it can be China, it can be Japan. Click on, let me remove my face. You can go ahead and put in the location you are in, or the location you intend to go. I put in Lagos and then to England, and equally go ahead and click on export. Once you click on export, it will ask you whether you want to save it immediately or you want to preview. So I will prefer to preview it at the moment, so I will see if it's serving the purpose of what I want before doing any form of download. Okay, before doing any form of download, and that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. So I'm waiting for the preview to load. It's almost 100%. Once it's 100%, it will start showing right away, and it's just a wonderful. This is just exactly what I wanted. It's going from Lagos to United Kingdom. Lagos to United Kingdom. That's 5,021 kilometers. That actually wrote the number of time to take to reach the kilometers it covers to reach the 5,021 kilometers. I can even go ahead and add more destinations into this very animation. I can even go ahead and add more animation. If I've added Lagos, I've added England, I can go ahead and add another destination. I can go ahead and add Japan or California or any location of your choice. That simply means that you're moving from one particular location and the airplane touched down in England and then continued to California. So you click on export. Once you click on export, the preview section will come out as well and ask you whether you want to preview or you want to download. So as just like I did earlier, I'll click on preview button and then voila, it's coming out. It's almost 100%. I can't see it very clearly, but it's almost 100%. Once it's 100%, we will preview it and see our work output and see the results of our work. I would like you to equally go ahead and try out this very software and see if it's going to serve you. I believe it's going to serve what you're doing. I believe you're going to enjoy the software. I believe it's going to serve you as much as possible. Try it out. More.dev. Once you start using it, it becomes part of what you're using to put up your work. I'm trying to expand the page. The video is up. Trying to expand the video so you can see it clearer. So it's expanding right now. So you can see when you play the video once again, it's moving from Lagos, Nigeria to England, United Kingdom to California, United States of America. That's covering of 13,584 kilometers so far. So that is it. You can go ahead and subscribe to our page if you've not subscribed before. You can go ahead and subscribe, like the video, and share for the video to get to other people that is yet to know about what we do, about the tech information we would love to share. We love to share with you for you to know as much as you want to know. Okay, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful time exploring this very software. Thank you. Another thing is, I forgot to say, you equally go ahead and click on download. You click on download and download the video into your device. Like I'm using a laptop right now to work. You can equally go ahead and download it into your phone. And then use it to work. The free versions has a watermark of the company on it, while the paid version does not have any form of watermark. So that's the small differences. I hope you don't mind, so try it out.